The Perfect Roast, 20-pound turkey edition.
Hello, welcome to your step-by-step guide on roasting a 20-pound turkey to perfection. In this video, we'll walk you through the temperature settings, cooking times, and tips to ensure you end up with a deliciously juicy and flavorful turkey. Remember, the success of your roast turkey lies largely in the right oven temperature and cooking time.
What oven temperature should you set?
The first step to roasting a perfect turkey is setting the right oven temperature. To ensure that your 20-pound turkey is cooked thoroughly, set your oven to preheat at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. This temperature ensures that your turkey cooks evenly without drying out or burning the skin.
How long should you cook your turkey?
Cooking times for turkeys depend on their weight, and for a 20-pound turkey, you can expect it to take around 4 to 5 hours. However, the exact time can vary depending on whether the turkey is stuffed or unstuffed. Always use a food thermometer to ensure your turkey is cooked properly. It should register at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, in the thickest part of the turkey, usually the thigh.
What are some helpful tips for roasting a turkey?
When roasting your turkey, keep in mind the following tips. Use a roasting pan with a rack. This helps circulate heat evenly around the turkey. Baste your turkey. Do this every 45 minutes to prevent it from drying out. Let it rest. After removing your turkey from the oven, let it rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes before carving. This helps the juices to redistribute throughout the turkey, ensuring it stays moist and flavorful. There you have it, folks. By setting your oven to the right temperature and allowing for sufficient cooking time, you're on your way to a perfect 20-pound turkey roast. Follow these tips and you're sure to wow your guests with a succulent, delicious turkey. Enjoy your cooking journey and, most importantly, enjoy your meal.